guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in case if you're new here, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and show some love to my channel. So this video is gonna be the unboxing and try on of the Boxycharm. So let's dive right into the box and just see what all products we got in the box. So this month Boxycharm sent me two eyeshadow palettes. One is from Zoeva and the other one is from Boxycharm. So these palettes are actually featured in their older month boxes. So I got two products which are previously came in the older month boxes. Thank you Boxycharm, that's so kind of you for sending me the older products. So let's just see. This is the Hello Charmer Boxycharm eyeshadow palette. And guys, so I'm not really excited about this palette because I have got like similar shades in my previous other like palettes as well. So this palette doesn't excite me much except this shade. This shade, sweetie, this is so bomb. Like, let me just give you a swatch. It's sort of a like the glitter shade, so you can just like use it as an topper for your shimmer shade. And this looks so pretty, so pretty. Here comes the Zoeva Spice of Life eyeshadow palette. Let me just show you. Okay, so this is how the shades look like. So we have got like four matte shades in here, and the other five. So other six shades in here are like shimmer shades. So I actually kind of like this palette. I really love these tones, and I think they really complement well on my complexion. And also I heard like really good reviews about the Zoeva palettes, and they are of A1 quality. So I'm not really happy about the Hello Charmer palette, but I'm actually very happy about this palette right here. So today I just want to try this palette out for this tutorial. Probably I'll give the Boxycharm palette a try another time. I just feel that maybe if they have given a kind of like little mirror here, it would be really helpful, because so we can just like look into this mirror and do the makeup totally. Really, Beauty Blender is a savior when it comes to makeup. Now let me just give you a little details into the price for the two eyeshadow palettes. So the Zoeva eyeshadow palette comes for $28, and the Boxycharm Hello Charmer palette comes for $39. So you think that $39 is actually a bit pricey. So coming to the quality of the Zoeva palette, guys, it's really buttery smooth. The quality is just so top notch. Like the shimmers and the mattes are perfectly blendable, like very buttery smooth. I really love this palette. Coming to the third product, this is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. So this is in the shade Supernova. Let me just give you a swatch. Okay guys, so the packaging is like this. So you just have to twist it up, so it kind of like opens up here, and then you just have to get the product out. See, that's the highlighter. So coming to the quality of this highlighter, guys, it's so super smooth, like really smooth. It's kind of like very much blendable. Just see that. It's just the quality is just like top notch. It's fantastic, you guys. But coming to the shade, no sweetie, I really don't love this shade on my complexion. It doesn't look flattering on my skin tone. I just don't think I would wear this highlighter like as a highlighter on my skin, because it doesn't complement my skin at all. Literally, if I just wear this highlighter and step out, people are gonna like stare at me like what's that weird highlighter going on her skin. You know, I really don't like it, but probably I'll use this as an inner corner highlighter, you know, something like that. So this is actually a choice item. You know, I chose this product, but probably you just cannot choose the shade. So they just sent out the shade, and this is not a shade that would work for my complexion. So, okay, not really a fan of it. I'm gonna use this product as my inner corner highlighter. Let's just get that glow going. Whoa. I think it's a bit odd, babe. I don't think it's going actually well with this look. No. This looks so odd for me. I mean, like, it's not actually going for this look. Let me just like smoothen that out. Okay, so I'm just taking a little pink shade from this palette itself, the Zoeva one, and I'm kind of applying this on top of it. I just like try to remove that off, but still there is some of that highlighter, you know, that shade still peeking through. Let me just like leave it like that. So coming to this highlighter price, guys, this is priced at $27. So this highlighter is really intense. It has a beautiful glow, super finely milled, but the shade, no, doesn't work for my complexion. Another product in the Boxycharm is from this brand it's called Beauty Vault. So this is a three, you know, like lip liner trio, which has got like 3 lip pencils in here. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, let me just give you a quick swatch. So yeah, these 3 are the lip pencils. So these are the shades. So these actually go really well with my complexion. I guess all the 3 shades actually work really good with my complexion. So let's just like try one of them and see. The shade, you know, I think just like red would be too much for this look. So this is the shade. It really glides on, again, super smooth, and I don't know like about the longevity, but it's actually buttery smooth. So I'm just gonna use a lipstick on top of it. So the lip pencil trio actually retails for $18. So I think it's actually a good price for a combo of like 3 lip pencils. And I also kind of like these shades as well, because they kind of like look good on my complexion. And the final product is this one. This is the In Beauty Project Power Up Dual Face Setting Face Mist, and this retails for $22. Wow, you know, that dispense, that's really good, really good. So I'm just gonna take some highlighter and I'm gonna apply this on my high points of my face. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the same makeup fixture and I'm gonna spray that on my face to set the makeup. Ooh, did I put like too much? It also went a bit on my hair. So coming to this fixer, guys, it actually smells really good. Like, I love the smell of it, and it's also kind of like, you know, it's a bit of like hydrating. So I actually like this you know, setting spray, because it has aloe vera in it, which kind of like hydrates. It's sort of like hydrating on skin, and also it has like witch hazel as well, which is a really cool ingredient. And then you know, it kind of like, you can just like use it before makeup to prep the skin, and also like after makeup to set your makeup. So I actually like this one. So yeah, this is the final makeup look using this month's Boxycharm. Okay, let's just do quickly the total of the products which we got in this month's box. $27 and $22 and $18, it's $134. Okay, so the total 3 products actually round up for $134, and I paid like $25 for this month's box. So let's just dive into the favorites and not so favorite of this month's box. So coming to the favorites, guys, it's Zoeva eyeshadow palette. I really love the quality of this palette. These shades are so buttery smooth and they just like blend out so well. I really love this palette. And also the shades really complement well on my complexion. Okay, I don't know like if I have to tell the lip pencils as my favorite, because I don't know, they are sort of like smooth, they complement my skin well, but I don't know like the longevity of these lip pencils. I have to try it out and see how long these lip pencils will last. So I'm just gonna push them into the neutral category. So, and also this setting spray, I don't say it's like my absolute favorite as of now. I actually like it, and I just have to try it out again for a couple of times and see if this is actually my favorite. The Artist Couture Diamond Light highlighter, sorry, the Diamond Glow powder, which is actually a highlighter. So coming to the quality, guys, it's super good quality. I love the quality. There's nothing to complain about the quality, but the color, this shade doesn't complement well on my complexion, so that is my biggest con here. So I wouldn't probably use this as a highlighter, and you know, even like as an inner corner highlighter, you know, this wouldn't go with all sort of like eyeshadow colors. So I'm not really a huge fan of this product just because of the shade. Coming to the Boxycharm Hello Charmer palette, it's not like I hate this palette, it's also not like I love this palette again. I'm gonna push this into that neutral category. So that's all for this video. I really hope you guys will like this makeup tutorial, this Boxycharm try on video, my review, my first impressions on these products. And if you like it, then please don't forget to give this video a like, share, comment down below, and also please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. That means so much to me. Do hit that subscribe button and show some love and support to my channel, and also click on that bell icon so that you guys can get notifications whenever I upload a new video, because YouTube doesn't actually, you know, show up the new uploads you know, notifications if you don't hit that bell icon. So turn on that bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also do follow me on my Instagram as well. I'll be linking my Instagram profile in the description box below. And yeah, we'll see you soon with another video, guys. Till then, have a great day. Bye.